As an intentional and healthy parent, have you ever tried to offer solution to your child's problem and it did not work? I mean, as parents, we want to give our child or our children the best we can, but sometimes we tried our best and maybe it wasn't the best. This, I mean, deodorant. Hi, my name is Mfon. Welcome to my channel, and in this channel we talk about holistic parenting. We offer parenting tips, giving our children healthy food and nourishment for their bodies, like lotion. And what we are going to see today is deodorant. And one of my daughters said that, people say in school, which some kids can be so mean, that she is not smelling very well. And I'm like, oh, I get expensive deodorant. I mean, I buy native deodorant, which is not cheap. It's quite expensive, and because it is aluminum free and paraben free, and I'm always talking about healthy and intentional in your parenting, in what you put in your body and even on your body, because it takes 26 seconds for what you put on your skin to get into your bloodstream. So I'm always careful about what we eat and what we put on our body, because it goes into our bloodstream. So she said, oh mom, when I use it, it itches. I'm like, oh no, wow. And I remember that I can make mine. I've made it before, but today I'm going to share with you how to make a better version. So this one is an updated version of how you can make your deodorant, and it's healthy, aluminum free, paraben free, no preservative. You're right, you heard me right. Nothing unhealthy in it. And it might be that you have all those ingredients in your house, and as you are watching this video, I'm sure you're going to be making it along with me. So let's get into it. First, you're going to put water on the stove to help melt the ingredients. Then you measure out half a tablespoon of cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol offers a variety of benefits in skincare and hair care products, primarily acting as an emollient, emulsifier, and thickening agent. Next is half a tablespoon of shea butter. Shea butter offers numerous benefits for the skin due to its rich composition of fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Next is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a highly beneficial ingredient for the skin, acting as a powerful moisturizer and balancing agent that helps reduce acne and fight signs of aging. So you put it in the boiling water on a low heat and allow it to melt. Here we have arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is a natural nutrient-dense starch that mattifies skin by absorbing excess oil without clogging pores. It acts as a safe, talc-free alternative to soot irritation and acts as a skin softening barrier against chafing. Arrowroot powder is commonly used in natural deodorants to keep underarms dry and neutralize odor. So here we have 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. At this point, the ingredients in the bowl were well melted. We then pour in the arrowroot powder and mix it. Liking the video so far, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what alternative you use to solve your kids' problem. Here we add in half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help moisturize, soothe, and protect the skin, and may offer antibacterial benefits. So you mix that in. You can see that the addition of the coconut oil helps to soften everything, and then you mix it properly and take it out. So here you give it a little mix, then add vitamin E oil to it, and then we are also going to add essential oils. So here we have tea tree essential oil and peppermint essential oil, also basil essential oil, all 10 drops each.
And those essential oils also act as an antioxidant. Also with vitamin E oil, which you don't really need preservative, because the vitamin E oil and the essential oil acts as a preservative and it will lengthen the shelf life. And then you turn it into a deodorant container. I got them from Amazon. And I also have a smaller one that I put in my purse that I'm adding the remaining to it. So this one stays with me in my purse so that if I need to reapply, I reapply. And you might be wondering, why do I need to reapply? Even the regular deodorant, you will need to reapply if you are sweating a lot. My teenage daughter takes her deodorant to school and reapplies it in the bathroom. So this is no different. You can reapply it, and it is natural, it is organic. I make it with all organic ingredients. I don't know if you paid attention to my ingredients, they were all organic. And what makes this deodorant very unique is the essential oils in it. The basil essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and tea tree essential oil are very good in combating body odor. And that is what makes it very powerful and a great substitute for regular store-bought deodorant. So here I have a small size deodorant container and we poured the remaining into it. So there you have it, how to make your own deodorant, and you don't really need to put it in the refrigerator. The cetyl alcohol helps solidify it, but you can see that this one is already hardened or solidify on its own, and you can see that it doesn't leave your skin looking archy or dry, but the oils in it helps to make everything come together, and the cetyl alcohol also help. So I then put it in the refrigerator to help it solidified quicker so that I can wrap up the video, but you don't need the refrigerator to make it solidified. It can do it on its own. So I took it out from the refrigerator. This is how it all turned out. They all look incredible and it will not melt. This is summer where I live, so it's not gonna melt. So it can stay at room temperature and it will be fine. And that is why we added cetyl alcohol to it. So can you see that? So this is healthy, this is incredible, and this is, homemade, and it will not cause you any harm. No preservative, no harsh chemicals in it, no baking soda, no paraben or sulfate or aluminum in it. They are all natural, organic, 100% homemade, and it is healthy. And you know what is inside. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support.
So there you have it. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me tell you that this deodorant, homemade, organic, natural, you saw my ingredients, all organic, and let me tell you that it smells incredible. It smells amazing. Basil essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and peppermint essential oil, the combo just makes it smells revolutionary. I'm short of words. So this is very good, and the one I used to make before didn't used to have cetyl alcohol. So now with the cetyl alcohol, it's not going to melt. It doesn't need refrigerator, but if you want it to be fast, you can just pop it there for it to solidify. But this is very, very healthy for you and your family. And my daughter doesn't complain about itching. The one that I buy that I feel it was good was itching, our armpits. And now she's using my own and she's so happy with it. And you can reapply it if it doesn't last you for 24 hours. I mean, it is all made with natural ingredients. It doesn't have any side effect, no itching. And you see that with all those amazing oil that I add to it, it glides in your body. It doesn't leave your body looking ashy or anything. It just amazing. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are making it, share your experience in the comments below and let it encourage other people to make it for themselves and their family, because it is worth the try and it lasts long. It is, I mean, when you make it, it will last long. So today I made a lot of it for my large family. I'm a mama of 4, so this will last me for like 2 to 3 months. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking for another of my tutorial to watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.